Whether you're an advanced trader, intermediate, or a beginner trader, you're gonna wanna check out this product here. This one's called Lux Algo. Guys, Lux Algo is a trading indicator, guys. It is super, super accurate in my opinion from what I've used it for. I really enjoy it. It helps you be able to take those profits at the right time, guys. You can use it for crypto, stocks, indices, currencies, all that stuff, guys. It's a TradingView plugin. You can use it on your free TradingView, or if you have a premium TradingView account, you can use it for either one. But I use it on the free TradingView personally. It works just fine. You can see here on the video here about what it's going to show you. It's going to show you those green and red buy and sell indicators. And you can see, guys, when you see the indicator hit that green, and then you're going to see that chart start to really go blow up, guys. That's kind of what it's trying to alert you and let you know, hey, this would be a good time to buy some of this so you can take the profit. You know what I'm saying? And secondly, you'll see on the red where you see it's going to light up red. And then in most cases, you're going to see where that chart starts to dip. And so when you get those indicators, that's going to give you that idea of, you know, hey, maybe I should buy or sell right now. And for all of us traders out there, you know, that's what you need to do. You got to buy low, sell high. You know what I'm saying? They have 4 different price packages for it. They got a monthly, which is around about almost $70. Then they have a quarterly around $140, and then have a yearly around $500. And now they have a lifetime, guys, for about $11.97. That's a crazy deal right there. Then you get it done once, pay for it once. You don't need to pay anymore. You know what I mean? And you can pay for it with crypto or as well as normal currency as well. But guys, they have an incredible community on their Discord channel as well. This will also give you buy and sell alerts in the Discord group, which is super cool and valuable. And so they also have free plugins as well that you can put on your TradingView in addition to the ones that you get with the actual subscription plan. And so I think it's great. I've enjoyed it. Super easy install as well. Make sure you check out Lux Algo. I have a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for me, it's a win-win. You really can't lose. If you don't like it, get your money back. You know what I mean? So go ahead and check it out, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I would advise you to check out the next video. Be alpha.